Richardson and Company is joining us in the studios this afternoon. How are you, David?
I'm great. How are you?
Good. Good to have you here. Why don't you tell us a little bit about Richardson and Company?
Richardson and Company is a CPA firm located in Medway. We have a staff of varies from 15 to 20 people. We do traditional accounting, tax, and audit work. We do a lot of business consulting work. We help people buy, sell businesses. I myself specialize in business valuations of small privately held companies.
Any particular industry sectors that your clients come from, or are you pretty broad-based?
We're pretty broad-based. We have a good cross-section of clients. We have manufacturing clients, retail clients, professional service companies, pretty much across the gamut.
How long have you been in business?
Richardson and Company's been in business about 25 years. I've been in public accounting, do the math, probably 20 years.
Wow.
Over 20 years, yeah.
How many people are in the firm?
15 to 20.
15 to 20.
It kind of varies. You know, we bring in some tax season help,
Right.
And you know, we constantly have people coming and going, and you know, but most of the 15, probably 15 have been there for quite a while. So we have a good staff. We have the right number.
And how many partners are in the firm?
There are 2 partners in the firm and 2 principals. Myself and another gentleman are principals.
Okay.
So one of the things that we've seen, or you used to talk about accountants and the accounting cycles, and you know, over the last couple of years, or certainly over the last decade or so, it seems as though accounting cycles, traditional cycles, those busy time years don't really exist anymore. It's sort of 12 months a year. Do you find that in the profession has changed?
We do, and the busy season is still the busy season. It's just that the off season is not the off season anymore.
No such thing. There's no downtime.
There's no downtime anymore. I remember when I first got in the industry, I worked for a small, probably a medium-sized firm in downtown Boston, and my first job in public accounting, they used to give us comp time and overtime. So I was 22 years old. I had 6 weeks vacation. It's really not
Gone are those days, I bet.
Yeah, it's not a good thing for a 22-year-old either. You know, I didn't use it wisely. Let's just put it that way. So.
But times have changed a lot in the accounting field. Do you want to talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, times have changed in the accounting field, and a lot of it has to do with regulation. I believe that, you know, the Enrons of the world have changed our industry, where accountants seem to be a lot more responsible for reporting issues. And what that does is, especially in the financial statement arena, is, you know, we're subject to a lot more procedures and regulations. So it drives the cost up, quite honestly. And to pass that on to the client is difficult. So the traditional accounting and auditing work is a tough business. It's why you see a lot of firms like ourselves specializing in the consulting, you know, helping people run their business so that they can either retire or sell it. You know, when they're in the selling process, we help them go through that process, help them negotiate it, and we do a lot of the valuation work. I do a lot of litigation support work where, you know, I'm brought in as an expert to value a company either for a divorce, a shareholder case, or you know, estate tax planning or estate tax return.